Hey, what's up guys? If you're a beginner photographer and looking to learn Lightroom Classic for free, then these tutorials are for you. You'll learn how to import and export photos, edit photos to make them eye-catching, and learn how to prepare your images for photo albums and printing. I try to keep these mini videos short, so the tools available in Lightroom are easier to digest and learn. I'm currently in the process of finishing up this course, so make sure to subscribe to get notified of the next videos. I, myself, am Vincent. My friends in Colombia call me Chente, where I spend most of my time. I also love the Galapagos Islands and visit when I can. That's why I stay nearby in Colombia. I was once new to Lightroom Classic, just like you, so I know the most important things to learn to get you started. I've been using Lightroom Classic for more than 10 years as an amateur travel photographer. From visiting places from Iceland to Patagonia and making photos, I use Lightroom to organize and edit my photos. So if you want to learn Lightroom Classic as easy as possible, then follow along. And make sure to join the conversation on Instagram. Live easy, sleep breezy, and stay lovely.